Hi, this is a video of us shopping for a 2017 Ford Fusion. It's funny that it all came up because my wife's Explorer had issues, so she was leaving it at the dealership, and this car was sitting out front. So I got a string of texts about how she wanted to go test drive it, and so that's what we did, and here's the video of that. Well, we're shopping at Ford again. I think we're gonna get another Fusion. This one's a Fusion Sport with the V6 all-wheel drive, and 325 horsepower, and partially leather seats, and it's just got a little fake, it might be real, carbon fiber accents and Sync 3, and it's got stainless steel pedals, and her feet are on the pedals. Super sport. Well, it's not. Yeah, we'll get some SS badges for it. So I'll get some of the outside of it, but right now we're just taking it for a test drive.
Oh, the cold seats are on.
Are they? Oh yeah, and they got cooling and heated seats. Oh my God.
Yeah, the cooled seats is the option. The hot seats are not standard either.
They are standard, or they're not? So we got, yeah, well, I'm cool. It does feel rather cool on my bum.
Minty fresh.
Minty fresh. Ooh, look at the traffic.
I told you.
All right, this sucks. I guess take the access road and go back, and we'll go back around. We'll do like a loop. Yeah, we're trying to test drive, and there's like multiple accidents here, and I don't think we're really gonna get to open her up, but
damn it,
she's gonna try. Right in front of the state troopers.
Yep.
Post. So
I won't exceed the speed limit.
anyways, when we get back, I'm gonna pop the hood, take some video of the 2.7 liter V6.
I like it. They should have left my car.
And yeah, seems to be fitting. So I'm gonna stop right now while she's driving, and we'll get some more video when we get there. We're changing seats, so we stopped at McDonald's, but it's got some awesome rims, giant brakes. You know, it's filthy. They pulled it out of their back lot, but it is beautiful. So I think we're probably going to be getting another Fusion. We're going to be a 2 Fusion family. Oh, we got it because you only live once. So now we're going to go test drive. Will's probably going, they stole the car.
He has your truck.
Yeah, true.
And he knows where we live.
Yes, he does. Look at this guy. Hey, I'm not going to let them out. I don't need to go right. I need to go left.
Research.
It doesn't matter. So there's the V6 EcoBoost in this puppy, the heart of the monster. So I think it'll be good to go. So looks like they had to jump it. It's probably been sitting quite a while. So there we go. Yeah, well, it's been sitting. It was built 4/25/17, so it's been sitting over here for, yeah, a year, basically.